MUJJO. That rings a bell. Didn't we review their products earlier or something? Yeah, we totally did. But today we're going to review two more. And we're going to, I guess, unbox them. That's probably the best term for them. But they came in this box, so I guess that's an unboxing. Anyway, we're going to take a look at them right after this. So in reviewing these MUJJO products, we had a pretty interesting time with the portfolio and I believe a case for the iPhone 14 because honestly, I like the vegan leather look. And we got two products. I'm going to start with this one. This is the tech kit. And basically, it's called a tech kit because I believe it's like, if you've got tech around and you've got chargers, you've got cords, you've got all kinds of things that you want to keep, and you might as well just keep them all in one place. And I admire the fact that this thing is very handy for that. Okay, so I'm just going to start by just exploring what's inside here. Oh, but to do that, I got to unzip this whole thing right around here. So I guess instead of an unboxing, we got an unzipping today? Anyway, I got this out on my webcam because I thought I just wanted to get a closer look inside. And here's what you can see. Now on one side we have these two pockets and they're very loose. This material is very stretchable and very thin, but you can see two clear pockets here. And you can put some charging cords in there or something like that. And then we got this pocket here. It's really nice. Looks like we got some of that silica gel in it. And then the zipper pocket here for something like, hey, you don't want to fall out easily. And yeah, I use zippers all the time because honestly, I'm just a paranoid that my stuff is just going to fall out. I don't know why. So I don't know how I feel about this one pocket in front, but there is a magnet here, and so this is designed to keep shut. So I kind of like that. And then now we have these three slots here. I'll try and get black and black. Might be difficult to get that in focus. There's one here that's thin, there's one here that's thick, and there's one here that's even thicker. So I guess you could just put something in there and hey, you can decide what you want to do. Okay, in case you want to get your hands on the tech kit, go over to the MUJJO site and pay $54.95 for it. And then you'll have one great spot to put all your stuff in. Okay, perhaps all your stuff is not a good description because what if you have like a laptop, say like a 54-inch laptop? Well, MUJJO makes something for you. Now this is the Envoy 14-inch laptop sleeve. Pretty decent product here. I don't really have a 14-inch laptop. I could demonstrate this. I thought I did, but I measured it. It was like 15 or 16, so a bit too large. But one thing it has is these two pockets in front, and I almost lifted that up as if it were a magnetic cover, but it's not. Okay, I'm going to just not put that in the blooper reel, but I want to show you the top here. This is a magnetic cover, and this is where your laptop is supposed to go here. So pretty easy for that. As far as the other pockets go, there's this guy here. Nice, bad, fits in there. Oh, look, I can fit in my whole hand. Not bad. He's on the back, very centered. Doesn't really, yeah, it's pretty much limited that. Then there are two pockets on this side that, for some reason, they are allowed to come out or something. How did I do that before? Oh yeah, they just kind of, they're a bit thick. I think there's some magnets in there. Oh, there's magnets on one side but not the other? So this honestly allows you to hold your laptop with a sense of style and class and distinguishedness. Now the price, I'm going to let you decide if it's fair. It's about $95 on the MUJJO site, and you can check it out there. I was not able to find this on Amazon for any cheaper price, and wasn't able to find... I found a similar product on Amazon, but it might be that portfolio that I reviewed before. I think MUJJO is a great company that tries to do a lot with vegan leather, and obviously they're into just helping the environment and stuff like that, which we can all relate with and we all should relate with now. Anyway, this has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off.